We're going to Cabo, baby. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week is a very special week. Can we guess? It's spring break. My spring break started yesterday. I am so relieved. I've been so busy with work and school, stressed out, etc., that I'm ready to be relaxed, but I can't be relaxed yet. Do we know why? It's because I don't know my outfits. So Cabo is obviously bright, fun colors, fun prints, bikinis. I genuinely feel my mood lift as soon as I feel a touch of sun on my skin. So I am so excited to be in a warm place after a few months of being so pale and like inside. So I did do a little bit of shopping. And I did do a little bit of thrifting. Also, if you remember from the Hawaii outfit video, I was trying to incorporate this one scarf, okay? And I got that scarf for my mom. She has a huge scarf collection. I had her send me a bunch of her most beautiful scarves. That is gonna be the biggest focal point of my outfits, are these scarves, because once I show you them, you'll get it. They are gorgeous. But I did go to the thrift store, and here's a few clips I got of that and that whole experience. I'm at Savers and I'm looking for pieces for Cabo. I'm looking for skirts. I'm looking for fun tops. I'm looking for bikinis. I have a few pieces of potential and I'm gonna try to slip them over my clothes right now because there's no dressing room. This is kind of ugly when I just like show it. It's kind of ugly. Okay, what? What do we think? What do you think? Is it ugly? No? So I turned to Cruz and I was like, you never know, you might find something good in the pajama section. 2 seconds after I said that, I found these. Let's get a close-up. Look. Okay. No more of that.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna put a bikini under this, obviously. Should I try trying them on? I feel like this would fit me.
I have to like zoom out. The pants look so they look so gross. The sandals are cute. The pants are cute too, but they look disgusting. It looks like a gradient.
I'm not gonna get the sandals because I don't like the black. Back to Hana in the studio. So yeah, from the thrift store I got these pants. See-through, perfect for a bikini cover-up situation. I also got this long skirt. It has this fun pattern on it. Now I'm gonna show you some of the things I bought. They're more like basics that I feel like I didn't have that I needed for this trip. Not needed. Wanted. I got a basic, nice fitting white tank top. I have an outfit idea for this. I got this gorgeous tube top from Urban Outfitters. I got a few bikinis. This is my favorite one. It's this adorable brown one with gold hardware accents on it. I got a basic black triangle top. I also got a basic white triangle top with thicker straps, very flattering. And if you remember this bag, it's making a comeback for Cabo. Should I show the scarves yet? I feel like, should I have a scarf section? Let's have a scarf section. This gorgeous, oh my God. Look at her. This one's unfortunately an infinity scarf, so I don't know how much I'll do with this, but whew, wow, she's a beauty. This one I already have an outfit for, don't even worry. Gorgeous. Oh my God, this color is just, it's gonna pop. Hey, we have this fun, is this cheetah or leopard? I don't know. Also have an idea for this one. This is more of a belt that I would use to elevate an outfit. Has these fun little sequins on them. This one is my favorite out of all the scarves. I could cry, it's so adorable. Oh my God. This gorgeous yellow and white one, but it has these ruffles on each side. And the second I saw this, I'm like, oh, I'm making this into a skirt or a top. I think the best way I'm gonna go about this is just try on everything that I think could be an outfit and then allocate it to certain activities or days. So I'm just gonna start and Wait, I'm nervous. My main goal
is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Is to not spend 3 hours packing. All right, so I'm gonna start with the dresses because that's the easiest. It's just one thing I have to put on. The back is what really sells me. Beautiful open back. I have these really cute kind of cork-like heels. I'm gonna just put this dress in my luggage, maybe for a cute little dinner or maybe even going out. On to the next dress. So my friend Tess, who's going on this trip, is letting me borrow one of her dresses that she's not gonna wear. I just tried it on for the first time and I love it. Definitely better than the last dress I showed. More vacation-y vibes. Okay. This is definitely coming with me. I'm gonna wear these cute cork heels with it. And I think it is either a dinner vibe or a going out vibe. But I'm gonna make that decision when I'm there in the moment, what I'm feeling. I'm trying to do something with this red skirt that I just got. I'm not hating this, but I definitely don't love it. And I think that we can find something better to go with this red skirt than the cheetah top. Maybe we do a little white tank top moment. This is not cute at all, and it's giving University of Utah. Go Utes. I'm like really envisioning this skirt as kind of like a mini skirt Y2K low rise Lily Rose Depp moment. You know how she wears those little like sweat skirts with like a tiny tank top? That's what I'm going for. I love wearing red. It's one of my favorite colors to wear. But when I tell you, it is the hardest to style out of any color, because all that really goes with red that I'm capable of making an outfit with is white or black. And both of those are University of Utah colors, and I don't want to look like I'm going to a football game. I'm gonna ditch the red skirt for now. So I'm thinking this is the boating outfit. I used the cheetah print as a little sarong, and I wanted to do an all black bikini, but I'm also thinking the brown bikini I got with the gold accents would look really nice with the scarf because it ties in all the colors together. So I think I'm gonna try both. If I do go with the black, these sunglasses just do not match at all. Oh my God, these are so perfect if I go with the brown bikini. Okay, here's the brown bikini top. I really like the brown. What if I did a little cross moment? It's cute, but is it better than uncrossed? Here's the skirt. It's very long, if you can see. Is it giving Amish? I want to try to incorporate the skirt, but I'm not really in love with the skirt in general. What if I do the white tank top with this? Am I onto something? Okay, am I onto something? Add accessories. I kind of like these colorful beads as an accessory with this one. The bag. Okay, something like this. Wait, this is, I don't know. Is it cute? I don't think it's cute. I can't tell, I literally can't see it. Spent some time off camera, figured the scarf out, and I think I like where we got with it. I made the scarf into a cute little tube top and tied it in the back. And then I'm wearing these white shorts that I got a while ago. And I just added this little orange beaded scarf, but who knows if I'll wear it. And then we have the bag. Okay, I tried on this white jean skirt that I have, and I think I like this a little bit better. I think it's just cuter in general. So I cheated a little bit and I tried this outfit on before filming, and I knew immediately that I'm gonna wear it. I'm picturing it for like glowy sunset photos and going out to dinner. This is the most gorgeous scarf I've ever seen. And then I just have this long flowy skirt, and it's just kind of giving mermaid washed up on shore vibes, which I'm always here for. I think in another life maybe I was a mermaid. If you can learn anything from some of my videos, it's that scarves are the most versatile piece of clothing ever. They're so easy and light to pack too. Cute. The sun is now setting. As you can see, my room has got significantly darker since the beginning of this video. I'm getting burnt out from making these outfits. I think I have enough. Great, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.